That's on my Christmas list. Hi guys, we're at the whiskey show here in London with TJ. TJ, lovely to meet you.
I'm TJ. I am the head of education and advocacy at the Glenmorangie company. So I am the one who gives all our wonderful brand ambassadors around the world all their information. I work with the brand teams on education strategies. One of the favorite parts of my job is being at whiskey shows and giving people wonderful whiskey. So this here we have is a limited release from Glenmorangie, which is a 23-year-old in collaboration with Dr. Will Lumsden, our director of whiskey creation. So this here is a 23-year-old Glenmorangie from a white Burgundy cask.
Let's give this a sample then. Immediately I'm seeing that this is a thicker consistency. It's already clinging to the glass. There's a lot of chemistry there. It looks rich. On the nose. There's a slight, obviously there's floral notes, slight grassy note. It's like outdoorsy. Sweet oak. I wouldn't think this was a wine cask. It doesn't come across that way in some ways. You're right.
I think the fact that because it's white Burgundy, it gives it a certain different type of vibrancy. I think describing it as outside a nice spring day.
Yep,
is exactly how I would describe it.
Yeah, absolutely. There's a ripe pear, a slight green melon note coming through. It's so good on the nose. Okay, on the palate then, cheers.
Not as budgy.
That's on my Christmas list. Luxurious, sweet, leathery. Again, florals coming through, some light spices as well, and a very long finish. It's going on and on and on. That's really special.
It's really important to us at Glenmorangie on a couple of different aspects. One, our standard house style that contains orange citrus, which you'll find through the original 12 years old, the 18-year-olds, comes a bit more marmalade-y there.
Yeah.
And right, we feature our brand new 25-year-old, but it's still present in here, even though it's got that strong white Burgundy character to it as well. Genuinely, I'm so fortunate that I've had the opportunity to try it multiple times, and every single time is just glorious.
Really beautiful oak. And again, the leathery, the texture, it's all there. No, this is really beautiful. Right, so TJ's been most generous with that dram, so can we try one more, please?
I'd like to show you one of my favorites.
Okay.
And everyone's tried it or tried a version of it. Glenmorangie original. They're American oak, but we have a first fill, we have a second fill, then there's something called our bespoke casks.
Okay.
But the bespoke cask is a cask that is specifically made for Glenmorangie. It's a project from the 80s for them to search and find the wood that was best to work with our spirit. And this is what you have as Glenmorangie original.
Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, as we know, it used to be the 10 age segment, and now we've gone to 12 years, which is incredible. Like, that's a step up. So, oh my goodness, yeah, it's just most attractive on the nose, very enticing on the, and this is your core product that just goes all around the globe.
And we've never really told anyone.
I can imagine.
Bruh.
The nose is incredible. Singing, dancing, velvety, vanilla, slight treacle, soft caramel, sweet, luscious. This is incredible. As a core product, I'd be proud of that. I'm sure you are.
Definitely.
Hence why you showed it to us. I'll tell you what, you've been most gracious, most generous with your time. So, if you liked the video, please subscribe. And of course, Glenmorangie, you're on Instagram, I'd imagine.
Yeah.
So follow it, Glenmorangie as well for the updates. And all I can say is thank you so much. Great to meet you.
You too.
Thank you.